5 Harley myths, fact or fiction? Wait for the last one, it's the most common one. Myth number 1, you have to warm up your Harley for 10 minutes before you ride.
So no, the answer is no. Modern bikes, fuel injected, only need like 30 to 60 seconds to get the oil circulate, and then you can start riding gentle. Actually, when you're riding gentle, the motor gets warms up better a lot more than you just sit there idle. Even older bikes with carburetors in cold weather, they need a little bit more than 30 to 60 seconds, but it's not getting into 5 or 10 minutes. So number one is no.
Myth number 2, loud pipes save lives.
Partially correct. So when your pipes are loud, everybody can hear you, you're noticeable, and pedestrian can hear you, cars can hear you. But keep in mind that the sound travels behind the bike and not in front. So when the vehicle in front of you hear you, it might be too late. The best safety feature is your eyes, your riding skills, and your lane positioning. So partially.
Myth number 3, premium gas always brings more power.
So the answer is no. If your motor is designed to use premium gas, then use premium gas. But if not, then there's no point to use premium gas. Premium gas is basically octane level. If your motor is not designed for this, it won't add you any power or any performance. So the answer is no. Don't waste your money because you won't get any more horsepower or any more performance. So for this one, the answer is no.
Myth number 4, if you lose your key fob, you're just stranded there.
So the answer is absolutely no. If you have a key fob, that means you have a security system, and every security system has a PIN code. It's a 5-digit PIN code that you can disable the security system and you can turn on your bike. The thing is, most of the riders don't know that, but there is an option. One of the previous videos I show how I find the key and I change it on this 2009 Road King. The code and the combination to find and change your pin is depends on the model and the year, but it's there as long as you have a fob. So for this one also the answer is no. Many people don't know that, but the answer is no. You still can disable your security system with that code and keep riding.
Myth number 5, Harleys always leak oil.
Well, this is probably the most common myth I hear about Harleys. Old Harleys earned this reputation decades ago. It was partially true even then, but the latest Harleys, the more modern Harleys, are not leaking. If your bike is leaking, it's probably a seal or a gasket issue, or the most common problems are wrong maintenance. So you should never accept it. You should never live with that. Maintain your bike properly. Make sure your gaskets and seals are properly replaced, and the Harley should not leak. So for this one is also no.
How many of these did you already know? Which Harley myth should we test next? Let us know in the comments.